Yes people, it's the captain. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I've come down a bit of a special location. Yeah, it's a bit of a hidden gem. I've come towards London Heathrow Airport. The location that I'm at, yeah, it's an avenue. It's called Myrtle Avenue. When you come down here, yeah, you can see the planes departing and landing as well. From this angle here, you'll see the planes landing. So yeah, I've come down to collect some family, and I thought, you know what, I've got some spare time to kill. Let's just do a bit of plane spotting. Again, you know, the captain loves the outdoors, loves my activities as well as my food reviews. So that's why I thought, you know what, let me come down and just kill a bit of time and see these beautiful machines. They're incredible, man. I'm just fascinated about planes, man. That's why I love traveling as well, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna see what kind of planes we can see today. Big planes, small planes, all kinds of planes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, आज आए हैं Heathrow Airport family collect करने हैं ते एक location है उसका नाम है Myrtle Avenue. I will put the location of the address in the description of the video. ते इधर आके बंदा जहाज जेरे नहीं Heathrow Airport ने मतलब एक ने जहाज लेने ते कसम सही जबरदस्त होने ने दिल खुश हो गया बंदे ना मतलब ने आओ दरवाजा खोल के ऐसे भी एक ऐसी चाहते होते चलना कराया. So anyway, I'm walking down now. I'll give you a bit of a 360 so you know about a bit of where the location is. So I started over right over there, and then there's some parking available down there as well, but sometimes you don't get parking available. It's a small little avenue, and then you've got some fields over there. You got some fields, and that's where you can see the planes departing. You know what I'm saying? Because as you all know, yeah, London Heathrow Airport is one of the largest airports in Europe, and every 30 seconds to about 45 seconds, yeah, 30 to 45 seconds to a minute, there's a plane that takes off and lands, departs and lands. So yeah, let's see what planes we can see then. Alright, let's carry on going forward and then show you how it is. There's London Heathrow Airport right over there. Yeah, you've got the dual carriageway, and it's right behind there. So I'll give you a 360 on a bare plane spotters be down here, you know. I'm telling you, this is like a heaven. I'm telling you right now, it's like a proper heaven for plane spotting. So normally the planes land from that side. See that tree over there? Let me just zoom it in a bit. There you go. So usually there's that tree there. The planes normally land from that side over there. Yeah. But I think today what's happening is, because obviously London Heathrow Airport's got 2 runways. I think what's going to happen is they're going to be departing from the runway which is nearest to the dual carriageway here, going that way, yeah, and then they're going to be landing on the other side. Yeah, look how big that BA is. So yes people, a bit of a change of plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head down towards another location where I can see the actual planes landing in. Usually this spot over here, Myrtle Avenue, a lot of the planes normally land towards the runway from this side, but however today they're not landing. So I'm going to go to another location. Yeah, hopefully we can get a better angle of the arrivals and get the Virgin Atlantic. My family are coming on it, get that in as well. So bear with me, you know what I'm saying. Hopefully Captain can get some shots of these beautiful machines, you know what I'm saying. So दो पासे मैंने आज एले पासे लाने होने ते डिपार्ट होने भाई पर सही एंगल नहीं मिलनी रिकॉर्ड करने बस जहाज ने तलों हाली this night. So we're going to go दो पासे मैंने आऊँ check करने हैं फिर. Alright, cool. So I'm inside the A4 Thistle Hotel, as you can see right behind me. Yo, this looks some next level stuff, you know, proper passion. That I grabbed myself a tea or a coffee because I think that's what you need to do. Obviously, to be on the safe side, you know, grab a cup of coffee or tea, just so you know you're not just taking a mick. And then you've got to validate your parking as well. Parking don't cost that much anyway. But the cash machine wasn't working. Sorry, the parking machine wasn't working, so I got away with that. I don't need to validate it. So enjoy my cuppa and then watch the planes land as well. So yeah, it's called A4 Thistle Hotel. It's off the A road. I'll put that in the link of the description of the video as well. So yeah, check that out then. You can see all the planes So yeah, we'll just chill here now and then see what planes are going to be landing. Oh, that's coming in fast, you know, that's serious, that is. Coming at speed, that is. Or is that a BA? Yeah, British Airways are again. Check it out, way. Look at that. Beauty, mashallah. There's another one on approach. Which one's this? That looks like a small one, that is. Which one is it? SAS, which one's that? Is that Israel? No, I think that's a cargo one, that is. Runway Disney नहीं पर वो तो British Airways पे print पे ये दो आया नहीं. There's another one coming. Which one's this? Is that Air France? Yeah, Air France. Look at that, mashallah. I love it, you know. Yeah, man, this location, I'm telling you, is really good, man. Myrtle Avenue is free as well. I paid £3.25 for a cup of tea, so I don't need to validate the parking. So, parking covers it. Now, which one's this? Turn it around. That is another BA. Yeah, another British Airways. There you go. Lovely. Alright, which one's this? That is that's Swiss, I think. Tell by the Portugal club, but the leg, yeah, tell by his tail, Swiss. Well, I say Swiss on there as well anyway. Bit of a small one, that is, isn't it? Standard one. This looks like a beast, this does. Massive one, this is. Virgin Atlantic, is it them? No way, it probably is them, you know. ये दो जहाज आना ना पिया समझियो दरवाजे खोल चलो ऐसा भी सीट चाहते हो ब्रिटिश एयरवेज ने another BA. This is a different one. Which one's this? You get away. Ain't got no writing on there. No writing whatsoever. I don't know which ones. I don't know which. Blah, blah, blah. Can't get my words even right, man. Oh my days. I couldn't even get my words right because I couldn't even see no writing on there. But they never had no name on there, man. So I don't know what airplane that was. If you're a plane spotter, professional plane spotter, let me know in the comments. Oh, which one's this? Oh, it's got some next level colours on it, man. Oh, another one on approach. Which one's this one? Zoom it in. That is a Lufthansa. Yeah, Lufthansa. Big up Germany. I think that's correct anyway. That's a different one, isn't it? That is Iberia. Look at the colours on that, mashallah. That looks like blue and white. That is normally my captain, Thompson. Oh, now it's green. Another Lufthansa. Oh, sorry, Aer Lingus. LOT. Oh, I think it's a cargo one. Cargo one, that is. That is coming a bit of a slow approach, that is. Massive roaring engine, that is. That is Korean Air. Look at that. Yes, big up to my Korean brothers and sisters out there. Another BA, is it? Look at the reflection of the light, man, mashallah, absolutely amazing that is. A bit of a slow approach on it. Mashallah. And that is a beauty. What's this? China. There you go, China Eastern. Look at the colours on that, mashallah, beautiful. See, right behind me, you got a bit of a queue going on. Right over there, right behind me, you got a queue going on. There's 3 landing, one after the other. Hopefully the BA is over. Come on, man. Need some different types of planes landing as well. You get me? Another one. Finland. Representing Finland. There you go. Decent size that is. Well, that's 1 out of 3. Alright, another one on approach. I did say there's 3 coming, but there is literally 1, 2, and then there's another one right over there. You can see it. Another 4 in total. This one is a Swiss. Yeah, I can tell by the tail. Lovely. Okay, here you get on there. Which one's this one then? A BA. Another one on approach, and it is a Lufthansa. Another Lufthansa. As it's getting a bit dark now, I thought we got a phone call from the family as well, so we gotta go and quickly get them. So there's 2 locations, one the OG spot, Myrtle Avenue. However, on this occasion today, the planes weren't landing, they were departing from that side of the runway, so I managed to find another spot. Over here is called the A4 Thistle Hotel, and what you need to do is you need to park up, pay. I'm glad that today I didn't need to park because the machine was out of order. Grab yourself a cup of coffee or a tea, because otherwise they might not let you go upstairs to floor 1 to view the airplanes. But that is another location where you can come down. So got the demo in it. Those locations in the description in the other BL. So yeah, another activity. Captain loves the outdoors activities and vlogs as well as food reviews. So hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. We'll see you on the next one then. Captain out. Take care then.